Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to eat acorns safely. First, it's crucial to understand that acorns contain tannins, which are bitter and can be harmful if consumed in large quantities. The easiest and safest method to remove these tannins is through a process called leaching, using water. Begin by collecting only mature, healthy acorns from the ground, making sure to discard any that show signs of insect damage or mold. This initial step is vital for a good final product. For the hot water leaching method, start by shelling your acorns and chopping them into smaller, roughly 1-inch pieces. Place these pieces in a pot, cover them with water, and bring to a boil. You'll notice the water quickly turning a dark brown color as the tannins leach out. Drain this water and repeat the boiling process, changing the water each time it darkens. Continue this cycle until the water stays perfectly clear, which usually takes several changes. Alternatively, you can use the cold water leaching method, which is less labor-intensive but takes longer. After shelling and chopping your acorns, place them in a mesh bag. You can then submerge this bag in a toilet tank, where the flushing action naturally changes the water, or in a clean, flowing stream. If using a bowl, change the water daily. This process can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on the acorn variety and water flow. Once your acorns are leached and no longer bitter, it's time to dry them completely. You can spread them on a baking sheet and dry them in an oven set to its lowest temperature, or simply air dry them for several days. Once fully dry, you can grind them into a versatile flour using a food processor or coffee grinder. This flour can be used in baking, or even roasted and ground for a unique coffee substitute. Store your acorn flour in an airtight container for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.